Namaskar, I Ashok Kumar welcome you all to Uday India Digital. Today I will tell you about the content of Uday India this week. The cover story this week is on eliminating Naxalism in India. The writers who contributed include R.S.N. Singh, Rakesh Kumar, Manoj Dubey and Nilab Krishna. Prakash Nanda in his column Right Angle emphasizes that inclusion of Taragiri, the fourth ship of Nilgiri class Project 17A, will significantly increase Indian Navy's prowess. Dr. Padmalochan Das underscores that India's engagement at the Johannesburg G20 marks a decisive shift towards shared global governance on strategic resources. Uday India Bureau reveals that the development of the K-5 submarine-launched ballistic missile represents a decisive leap in Indian Navy's reach. Uday India Bureau writes that Indrajal Ranger is a cutting-edge system developed by the Indian startup InQ Labs, designed to detect, track and immediately counter drone threats in any area in real time. Dilip Kumar Biswai maintains that Odisha today holds the key to the success of the much-hyped BJP's national slogan, that is of double-engine government. Sarath Sidas writes that AI tools in social care sectors are helping managers allocate resources better, predict crisis, and crucially free up care professionals to do what they do best, provide direct, compassionate human interaction. Amartya Sinha emphasizes that with the recent terrorist blasts in Delhi and Nogam, India must launch Operation Sindoor 2.0 against Pakistan-based cross-border Islamic terrorism. Dr. Satyavan Saurabh in his tribute to Dharmendra writes that Dharmendra was one of those rare stars who was not just an actor but also became a part of the emotional fabric of Indian society. Finally, Deepak Kumar Rath in editor's note highlights that the battle for Bastar and beyond is now being fought on the grounds of connectivity, welfare and local ownership, a far more decisive terrain than the forest alone. With this, I wrap up this edition. For more news, stay tuned to The India.